Imagine harnessing the power of the sun to light up your home, reduce your bills, and protect the planet. Save up to 70% on energy costs. Switching to solar energy means more savings, greater independence, and a brighter future. Here's how it works. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, powering your home and feeding excess energy back into the grid. Professional installation is fast and hassle-free. Our experts ensure your system is optimized for maximum efficiency. With solar power, you gain more than just energy savings. You gain peace of mind knowing you're creating a sustainable future for your family. Lower bills, renewable energy, reliable power. Every solar panel installed brings us closer to a cleaner, greener world. Together, we can make a difference. Ready to take the first step? Contact us today at www.solarpower.tel to learn how easy it is to go solar.
This is a sample video which can be customized to suit your business. Learn more at onlinebillboards.com.